Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the upcoming Sony A7V. After months of speculation, leaks, and expectations, it looks like Sony is finally gearing up to reveal their latest innovation in the Alpha series. The A7V promises to be a game-changer for both photography and videography enthusiasts, but is it the camera we've all been waiting for? Let's break down everything we know so far and explore what makes this camera stand out in a highly competitive market. After a long wait, Sony's A7V is shaping up to be a breakthrough hybrid camera. For years, the Alpha series has been loved by professionals and content creators alike due to its robust performance and versatility. While the previous A7IV model impressed us with its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, the A7V is set to push boundaries with cutting-edge technology that promises to elevate both photo and video capabilities. So, let's talk specs and features. Price and positioning expected to hit the market in mid-2025. The A7V is rumored to be priced between $2,999 and $2,999. This pricing puts it in a premium yet accessible range, directly competing with other high-end full-frame options like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z7 II. While the A7 IV has already earned its place in the market at a price of about $2,000, the A7V is likely to take a giant leap forward in terms of features, performance, and overall value for money. Let's take a closer look at what's making the A7V so highly anticipated. Sensor upgrade. One of the biggest improvements expected with the A7V is its sensor. The A7V could be equipped with a brand new 42-megapixel backside illuminated stacked sensor, possibly the IMX366. If true, this upgrade would deliver significantly sharper still images, enhanced 4K video quality, and better low-light performance, making it perfect for hybrid shooters who need high-end performance in both areas. For comparison, the current 33-megapixel sensor on the A7IV already provides great dynamic range, but this new sensor will take things to the next level in terms of resolution and overall image quality. This sensor will also support 4K video, recording at up to 120 FPS, which is fantastic news for videographers looking to capture smooth, cinematic slow-motion footage. The ability to record 10-bit 4.2.2 internal video is another major selling point, offering more flexibility when it comes to color grading in post-production. While 8K recording at 30 FPS is technically possible with a 42-megapixel sensor, it's likely that the A7V will focus on 4K video to maintain optimal heat dissipation and avoid potential overheating issues, ensuring consistent recording times even in demanding shooting conditions. Ergonomics and design. When it comes to handling, the A7V is expected to borrow some ergonomic elements from its predecessor, the A7RV. This includes a deeper grip, which provides better comfort when using larger lenses. Whether you're shooting long hours on a photo shoot or filming an extended video, the improved grip will make handling the camera feel more natural and less tiring. Sony will also likely upgrade the electronic viewfinder to 5.76 million dots, which will allow for a sharper and clearer view, especially when shooting in bright light conditions. A high-resolution EVF is critical for ensuring you get the perfect shot in a variety of lighting environments, and this upgrade promises to deliver just that. Another design feature that many content creators will appreciate is the 4-axis articulating touchscreen. This feature, which is similar to the one found on the A7RV, allows for more creative flexibility during shoots, especially for vloggers and filmmakers who need to capture unique angles. Whether you're filming yourself or capturing shots from low or high angles, this touchscreen will make it easier to adjust your composition on the fly. Build quality and durability. While the A7V is expected to keep the lightweight and compact design of its predecessors, it will also likely include durable weather sealing to make sure the camera performs in various shooting environments. Whether you're shooting outdoors in rainy conditions or taking it on an adventure, this level of durability ensures that the A7V will hold up in more rugged situations. Although the camera's design may not break any new ground in terms of aesthetics, these improvements are all about enhancing the user experience. Sony seems to have struck the perfect balance between portability, durability, and comfort, making the A7V an ideal choice for both photographers and videographers who demand the best of both worlds. Why the A7V is the hybrid shooter's dream when It comes to hybrid shooters who want a camera that excels in both stills and video. The A7V seems to be the perfect choice. Its high-resolution sensor, advanced video capabilities, and ergonomic improvements make it a highly capable tool for professionals across various industries. Whether you're capturing high-quality photos for a commercial project or shooting cinematic video for your YouTube channel, the A7V is designed to handle it all. Sony has a long-standing reputation for delivering top-tier performance in their cameras, and the A7V is shaping up to be their most powerful hybrid release yet. With competition from other brands, including Canon and Nikon, it will be interesting to see how the A7V compares once it hits the market. But if the rumors hold true, this could be the camera that sets a new standard for hybrid performance. Conclusion: is the A7V the camera we've been waiting for? In conclusion, the Sony A7V appears to be an exciting release for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile camera. With a 42-megapixel sensor, advanced 4K video recording, and a host of ergonomic improvements, it's clear that Sony is putting a lot of effort into this release. However, the A7V is still in the rumor stage, and only time will tell whether it lives up to the hype.